Hey guys, it's Mike Borgen, Modern Horizon Homes, brokered by Real LLC. Today we're here at Webb at Tradition, which is a 55 and older community. They're on their last building phase and you don't want to miss out.
In this video, I'm going to be telling you all about Webb Tradition, one of the best 55 plus communities in Port St. Lucie. It's located in the southern section of Tradition and is a gated community filled with amazing amenities, a strong sense of community, and plenty of opportunities to live an active lifestyle.
If you're new to my channel, I'm a licensed real estate agent specializing in Port St. Lucie and the surrounding areas. Whether you're looking to buy a new construction home or make a move, I'd love to help you. Feel free to call, text, or email me to get started on your home buying journey. And remember, using me as your realtor for new construction doesn't cost you anything because the builder pays my commission.
Let's start with the amenities already in place. The community social hall is the go-to spot for events, gatherings, and meeting new friends. There's also a fire pit where you can sit back and relax, especially in the evenings. For a more casual vibe, the Barefoot Lounge is a cozy space to hang out and enjoy a drink or chat with your neighbors. If you're into fitness, there's a lot to love. The movement studio is great for group classes like yoga or Zumba, and the gym is fully equipped with everything you need for a workout. There's also a dedicated cards and crafts room for creative projects and game nights, plus a catering kitchen that's perfect for hosting parties or community events. For those of you who enjoy outdoor activities, Webb Tradition has pickleball courts, tennis courts, bocce ball courts, and even a dog park for your furry friends. And here's some exciting news. A brand new resort-style amenity center is opening soon. This will include a ballroom and stage for larger events, a demonstration kitchen with wine lockers, horseshoe pits, a putting and chipping green, and a second pool. It's going to take the lifestyle here to the next level. Speaking of lifestyle, the community has a full-time lifestyle director who organizes an active social calendar. Whether it's holiday events, fitness challenges, or casual get-togethers, there's always something happening. Now let's talk about the homes here at Webb Tradition. Every home is built with quality and durability in mind. They feature steel-reinforced concrete block construction, decorative brick paver driveways, hurricane impact-resistant windows and exterior doors, and a tankless gas water heater. On top of that, each home comes equipped with modern technology, which includes a Ring doorbell system and a smart home thermostat for added convenience. One of the standout features of buying a home in Webb is the unmatched limited warranty that's included. This warranty will provide you 1, 2, 5, and 10-year protection plans covering both move-in ready homes and the homes you choose to build from the ground up. It's just another way Webb ensures peace of mind for its homeowners. Now let me introduce you to one of the most popular floor plans in the community, the Pell Mary, part of the Classic series. Its base price starts at $432,990 before any lot premiums or upgrades. This home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a flex room, and is 1,943 square feet of thoughtfully designed living space. This layout is open and modern, featuring a spacious kitchen, a great room perfect for entertaining, and a private owner suite with a luxurious bathroom and walk-in closet. If you're looking to make a move soon, there's great news. A Pell Mary floor plan is currently under construction and is estimated to be completed in February of 2025. The listing price for this home is $494,515, and the builder is offering some impressive incentives to make it even more enticing. If this sounds like the home for you, give me a call at the number on the screen to schedule a tour of the home in the community. As your realtor, I'll ensure you get the best deal, take full advantage of those builder incentives, and have a stress-free experience. Remember, working with a realtor doesn't cost you anything extra, but it does guarantee you have someone in your corner to advocate for your needs every step of the way. When it comes to HOA fees, the cost for Webb Tradition is $337 per month. This covers all the amazing amenities plus landscaping and irrigation for your home. There's also a monthly fee of $205 for the Tradition Master HOA, which will cover the cost of your cable TV, internet, a landline, and home security services through the company Lucie. Webb Tradition truly offers best of both worlds, resort-style living and the comfort of home. Thanks for joining me today on this tour of Webb and the beautiful Pell Mary model. If you're considering a move to Port St. Lucie, head over to my website for your free copy of my exclusive Port St. Lucie local guide, packed with plenty of helpful info about the area and fun things to do. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on a new home opportunity. See you next time.